Introduction to C. Overview. C is a widely used programming language known for its efficiency and versatility. Developed in the early 1970s, it has remained popular due to its simplicity and ability to directly access low-level computer resources. Whether you are a seasoned programmer or just starting your coding journey, understanding the fundamentals of C is essential. In this article, we will delve into the basics of C, exploring its syntax, tokens, and variables. Tokens. What are tokens? In the realm of programming languages, tokens are the building blocks that make up a program. Essentially, tokens are the smallest units of a program that have specific meanings to the compiler. In C, tokens can be classified into various types such as keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, operators, and punctuators. Keywords. Keywords in C are reserved words that have predefined meanings within the language. These keywords cannot be used as variable names or any other identifiers. Examples of C keywords include int, if, while, and return. It is important to be familiar with these keywords as they are the foundation of C programming. Identifiers. Identifiers are user-defined names given to various programming elements like variables, functions, arrays, or structures within a C program. An identifier can consist of letters, digits, and underscore characters, but it must begin with a letter or an underscore. It is crucial to choose meaningful and descriptive identifiers to improve code readability and maintainability. Constants. Constants in C are fixed values that do not change during program execution. They represent literal values and can be broadly classified into integer constants, floating point constants, character constants, and string constants. Integer constants, for example, are whole numbers without fractional parts, while character constants represent individual characters enclosed within single quotes. Strings. In C, strings are sequences of characters enclosed within double quotes. They are commonly used to represent text and can be manipulated using various string handling functions. String constants, on the other hand, are collections of characters enclosed within double quotes and are treated as read-only arrays. Operators. Operators in C are symbols that perform specific operations on one or more operands. These operations can range from simple arithmetic calculations to logical evaluations. C provides a rich set of operators, including arithmetic, bitwise, relational, logical, and assignment operators, among others. Understanding these operators is crucial for developing efficient and error-free C programs. Punctuators. Punctuators in C are special characters used for punctuation purposes. They include parentheses, semicolons, commas, braces, and colons. Punctuators help in organizing and structuring a C program, ensuring proper syntax and readability. Variables. What are variables? Variables play a crucial role in programming as they enable us to store and manipulate data within a program. In C, a variable is a name container that holds a specific value of a particular data type. Before using a variable, it must be declared, indicating its type and optionally initializing it with a value. Declaration and initialization. To declare a variable in C, we specify its data type followed by the variable name. For instance, int score declares a variable named score of type integer. Initialization, on the other hand, involves assigning an initial value to the variable at the time of declaration. For example, int age equals 25 declares and initializes an integer variable named age with a value of 25. Data types. C supports various data types that determine the size and type of values that can be stored in variables. These include basic data types such as integers, int, floating point numbers, float, characters, char, as well as derived data types like arrays, structures, and pointers. Understanding the appropriate data type for a specific purpose is crucial for efficient memory utilization and accurate data representation. Scope and lifetime. Variables in C have a scope and lifetime that define their accessibility and existence within a program. The scope of a variable determines the specific parts of a program where the variable can be accessed. Depending on their declaration, variables can have either local or global scope. Local variables are accessible only within the block of code they are declared in, while global variables can be accessed throughout the entire program. The lifetime of a variable determines the duration for which the variable remains in existence during program execution. Local variables have a limited lifetime, as they are created and destroyed each time the block of code associated with them is executed. On the other hand, global variables exist for the entire duration of the program's execution. Manipulating variables. Once a variable is declared and initialized, it can be manipulated using various operations and expressions. These include arithmetic operations, assignment statements, increment and decrement operators, and more. Understanding the proper syntax and rules for manipulating variables enables programmers to perform complex calculations and achieve desired program behavior. Conclusion. In this article, we have explored the fundamentals of C programming, focusing on tokens and variables. Tokens serve as the fundamental building blocks of a C program, encompassing a wide range of elements such as keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, operators, and punctuators. Variables, on the other hand, provide a means to store and manipulate data within a program, offering flexibility and power to developers. As you continue your journey in C programming, mastering the concepts discussed here will lay a strong foundation for your future endeavors. So go ahead, embrace the world of C, and unleash your programming potential.